Let him. He'll get some. Go ahead. Hurry, Bubba's getting all of them. Hurry. Hurry, Daddy. Bubba's going to clean you out.
Okay, get the eggs. Look at the eggs.
You don't see any more over there, Lorenzo?
Oh, that's a good one.
Those are for you, because I know the baby can't reach those.
Yeah, look, there's another one right there.
Oh, it spilled. Just put the. It's because those little plastic eggs don't stay good close. No, I didn't put none over there because I don't want the baby going over there. Yep. You can't even find it. There's some everywhere. You don't even see them. There's hidden ones. I sure did. I bet you're not going to find that money when you or Vincent. I hid those good. No. I'll tell you, well, y'all, there's still more on the floor, I'll tell you.
Here, Vincent, take some of mine.
Let me throw this over the fence. Ew, Lorenzo squished. I don't want the freaking cats over here. Alley cats. So with Easter, and we're honey eggs.
Did you hide those in the alley?
That was... No, of course not. Why would I do that? But, yeah.
You did?
No, I didn't hide none in the alley, you nuts.
Have a in the shed, huh?
Nope. I didn't put none in the shed. I'll tell you, is there any more?
Yeah.
I know where they're at, too. I can't believe Lorenzo can't find it. Babe, why did you freaking tell him? Don't. That's one. He ain't gonna find the other one, though, for sure. I bet you don't. I bet you don't. It's not that one. They are specially labeled. There's still one more freaking egg. You don't know either, Vincent. The other one's a baby's egg, though, whether you find it or not, it's his. That's why I made two of them.
Here, give us a hint.
I'll tell you hot or cold, okay? Right now, you're warm. You're warm. You're warm. You're warm. You're getting colder, colder, colder.
Look, Vincent, right here. Come here, look.
That hand bit, Lorenzo. That is so ugly. Sorry.
What is it? Money? Yay, Daddy. These are all your eggs.
Is there any more?
All right.
You know what? Easter's kind of like Halloween.
Why? No, it's not.
You want that? Come here, Dad.
Is there any more? Is there any more?
There's no more. That was our Easter attempt. That sucked. You couldn't even find it. What are you talking about? Daddy and me had to give you hints. And you didn't even find it, Daddy did. So I think that was a pretty good hunt, if I do say so.
Look it. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you. Look it. This is what you do.
Wait, you can eat them?
Duh. Hello, Vicky.
No. You gonna make a splatter?
You're gonna eat some eggs. Alright. It is hailing bad. Look at the hail. It is freaking like marble size. You see it? Man. That is so crazy. Look at the hail. It looks like freaking ice. Oh my god. It's like piles and piles. Oh, look at this right here under by my rose bushes. Look at the piles. Oh my god. Easter Sunday.
It's not heavy.
Man.
I got it where it was falling and it was bouncing.
That is all full. Look at all that hail.
It's not heavy enough.
Man. That is crazy. Look at all that hail.
They are messed up.
Man, we got a bad hill. That is so bad. That car is messed up. Hail damage.
People too, they're not there.
Hell yeah.
You're driving.
I bet you Monica got hail damage. Man.